First up, we have a full metal USB hub made beautifully of aluminum. It comes packed with a data cable of 1.5 meters. It looks and feels really good and premium when once you hold it in your hand. The reason for me to pick it was not that it was premium, but the way it can be mounted. I use a large 49-inch Samsung Odyssey G9 monitor, and my laptop is always resting in a rack. So when I need to plug in something, I have to reach underneath my monitor, which is always inconvenient. That's where this USB hub comes in. You can mount this USB hub underneath your monitor on the side of your table, or like me, on the side of your monitor. Once you have attached it to the place of your choosing, plugging in SD cards and USB flash drives becomes really easy. That's what made this one unique, and that's the reason I picked it up. For output, we have a one Type-C port, two USB 3.0 ports, one SD card slot, and one TF card slots. For the input side, we have a USB 3.0 input port, which you will use to connect it with your laptop, and a DC 5-volt input port, Type-C port, which you can use in case some of your accessories need some extra power. So for those of you who use monitors like me, give this USB hub a try. I think it would make your life a lot easier if you need to plug in SD cards or USB flash drives or other accessories. I think plugging them in should be really easy after using this USB hub.